Hey, I'm here at the Cavagna booth. I'm with Tom Biedebach. He is a territory manager for Cavagna. First question for you, Tom. I've seen the Kohda line. What is that, and what applications with GAWDA members use that for?
So Kohda's our new stainless steel line, 316 stainless steel. There's a couple of them here. It's for high purity and ultra high purity applications, EPA protocols and so forth. So electronic industry.
Very good. And the other two main things I see advertised from Cavagna, you got the medical gas equipment and then the regulators. Talk us through the medical offering first and the different applications for those.
Sure. You want me to take the mic? So we have a full line of oxygen Vipers, the Viproxy line. We have an analog version. We also have a digital version that gives you real time, almost like a gas gauge on your car. So Mr. Johnson needs to go down to have any kind of therapy done and you know you're going to be there for an hour, they can look and see exactly how much oxygen they have and whether or not they're going to have enough for that hour application. It has a audio and visual alarm on it as well. Then we also have our industrial line. Sorry, I'm just going to kind of segue into that. The industrial Viper line that we have as well, the iViper, we have that for oxygen, inert, and acetylene applications.
Cool. How about the regulators?
Oh yeah. So
Dave.
I don't have a regulator here, but this is one of them, right? One of the products that we have. We have a couple of our distributors here at GAWDA booths have them in their booths, like Evergreen and RMI and ICS. But it is a fantastic regulator because it's reliable. It's a proven track record. It's been around for over 20 years, but it's more economical than some of the other brand names that you're going to be dealing with. More reliable. It's got the Cavagna name, so you don't have to worry about questionable product.
There you go. And last question for you. You got some new booth graphics. Take us through it and why it's important.
So not too many people know this about the Cavagna Group. We're a family-owned company, but we're also the largest valve and regulator manufacturer in the world. So what we decided this year is we're going to go with a booth program that kind of accentuates everything we have to offer from everybody. The LPG line, not only do we make valves and regulators, we have a new ultrasonic meter that's first in North America. Again, here's the medical line, the Vipers that we have for those. Our tried and true industrial line, including RPV valves and acetylene. The spec gas valves, like you just saw there. Our refrigerant valve offerings, as well as the Viper and regulators.
Awesome. And one more cameo, I got Tom Manillo over here. Come on in, Tom.
Happy to be here 1 year with Cavagna, officially celebrating it right now, as a matter of fact.
Okay, and where's your territory?
I'm everything east of the Mississippi. Tom here is west of the Mississippi.
There you go. So, you know, for the distributors in that geography, you know which Tom to call. But as long as you just address it with Tom, you should be good. So, shout out to David. David, miss you here at GAWDA. And shout out to Miriam back at home. What's Miriam's brother's name?
David.
Okay, say that again.
David.
Davida. There you go. So shout out to the Cavagna family. Thank you so much for everything that you do for us here at GAWDA Media and for GAWDA in the industry. So great to see you guys here. Thank you
for having us. Yeah.